In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a single select field in Airtable to organize your data with statuses, categories, or priority levels. If you find this help, like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser and navigate to Airtable. You'll want to log in to your account by clicking the Login button in the top right corner. Once you're in, open the base you want to edit. Airtable bases are like your project containers, so pick whichever one holds the table you're working with. Then, select the specific table where you want to add the new field. This could be anything from a project tracker to a content calendar. Now, look at the very end of your field headers. That's the row of column names at the top of your table. Click the plus button that sits right there. A new column will appear, and Airtable will prompt you to enter a name for your field. I recommend something clear and descriptive, like status if you're tracking progress, or priority if you're sorting tasks by importance. After you type the name, you'll see a field type menu. Go ahead and choose Single Select from that list. This field type is perfect for creating a short list of options where only one can be chosen per record. Next, you'll add your options. For example, if you named your field Status, you might type To Do, then In Progress, and finally Done. You can add as many as you need, but keep them simple and consistent for better workflow tracking. If you want better visual organization, click the color swatch next to each option and assign a distinct color. Colors make it much easier to scan your table at a glance. When you're happy with your list, click Create Field or Save to confirm. Now, click any cell in your new column, and a drop-down menu will appear. Select one of the options you just created, say In Progress. That's it, you're done. Airtable will automatically save your selection, so you don't need to worry about hitting a Save button. This entire process sets you up to combine with Kanban views, where you can drag and drop records between columns to visualize your workflow. And remember, using single select for statuses, categories, or priority levels keeps everything clean and actionable. You've just learned how to add a single select field in Airtable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.